Saturday night, Ugwa returns. Narrative Fermentations 316. That's the name of the show. That's the name of the date the show is on. And on that date, yours truly, Brutal Rob Hands, teaches teams. We're live, pal. Teams up with the Pacific Rampage to face off with the T.H.C. Now, like I said, T.H.C., there's 3 of you, and I've already spoke on one. So now that brings me to this talented son of a gun, Midas Creed. 24 karat Midas Creed. High flying, agility, innovation, offensive attacks that prove you are more than just the typical house cat. Well, that's fine, because the Broody Man's got a plan for that. Because to this side of me stands the Bip, City Hunter, Jaguar, Montoya. And Midas, your golden eyes aren't going to believe what they see when this cat from the jungle comes at you with the wild sauce of the hoss, and he is hungry for gold, and he is going to put the paws on you.